Hello friends, this is Muhammad Saklan. Today's now I would like to start the first chapter of business studies of class 11th, that is nature and purpose of business. In this chapter, the first point I would like to start, that is human activities. Okay, see, every human being is busy in one activity or the other to satisfy his unlimited wants and desires. Every person is being busy in the world. Some person are ready to go in school, some person are ready to go for offices, some persons are ready to go for another work. Okay, and they conclude that every person wants some satisfaction, and some persons are needs uh, and wants are different, but they all are wants money. Okay, every person is being busy. Human activities are broadly classified into two categories, that is economic activities and non-economic activities. The first point is economic activities. Okay, all human activities related to production, exchange, distribution and consumption of wealth are known as economic activities. If the activities are related to the production, related to the exchange means sale and purchase of goods, distribution and consumption of wealth. That means if I purchase some garments and wear this garment, that is the consumption of wealth. Okay, and these activities are known as economic activities. For example, ploughing the field by a farmer, that is production of wealth; selling goods to customer by a shopkeeper, that is exchange of wealth. So these activities are performed by man either to satisfy his material needs or to earn money, are known as economic activities. One more thing, economic activities are related direct to money. Okay, the next point is non-economic activities. In non-economic activities, all those activities which are not related to production, exchange, distribution or consumptions of wealth, or which are not performed by man to satisfy human wants, or which cannot be measured in terms of money, are known as non-economic activities, like praying to gods. Okay, help to needy people is the example of non-economic activities. Okay, so these are the point of economic and non-economic activities. See, if your activities direct related to wealth or indirectly related to wealth is called economic activities, and if your activities are not related to wealth, it's called non-economic activities. Okay, there are some basic classification of economic और नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. डेट इज़ कि कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ ऐसी होती हैं जो वो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ भी होती हैं और नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ भी होती हैं. जैसे कोई एक पर्सन है जो वो दोनों काम करता हो. जैसे मान लीजिए कोई एक क्रिकेट प्लेयर है, अगर वो अपने एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए वो क्रिकेट खेल रहा है तो वो नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ कहलाएगा. लेकिन अगर वो पैसे के लिए क्रिकेट खेल रहा है, कुछ रेम्यूनरेशन के लिए अगर वो क्रिकेट खेल रहा है, तो उस एक्टिविटी को हम कहेंगे इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़.